how to do a reverse CC on your back. Make sure you understand how to do the intermediate level Backrock CC, jumping up and landing into the CC and jumping back. Make sure you can do this on both sides comfortably. Step 1, let's map it out. First, kick your leg up, lifting your hips, jumping as high as you can, lifting this leg off the floor, landing on it, and doing the reverse CC. All together with our arms. Leg kicks up, lifting your hips, kicking to the side, arms reach over, touching the ground, landing on the floor, reverse CC. All together with the jump, kick, land. Again, kick, land, jump back. Repeat this step on both sides and practice until you're comfortable. For more help with dancing, make sure you subscribe to me on YouTube and Patreon.